So the next recipe that I am doing for you is quite a humble, easy dish. I thought in looking over all of my videos that let's just go back to the basics sometimes. Let's go with ingredients that everybody has. It's really easy to make, and this is essentially making a scallion oil dressing or a sauce and then tossing it with really whatever, but usually you'll toss it with noodles. And it is Shanghainese in origin, and what you end up doing is just mixing in, scallions, you can put in some shallots as well, into an oil and then infusing it, and then just adding like soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and you have this like magical dressing that you can toss in with your noodles. You can use it as like a dipping sauce as well, and it's just really, really savory and very satisfying because of just how fragrant it is. And those who know me know that I don't love cooking with oil. I don't like, I don't know, it just doesn't make me feel good. So what I did was I actually made a version without oil. Just with some onion powder and sugar and soy sauce and water, and it was really, really good, like really, really good as well. I would say that the oil version has a slight edge, but then again, the other version doesn't. Anyways, okay, cool. That's it. Hope you all enjoy this one. So for this particular recipe, I think in total I made right around a half a cup of the scallion oil, which was plenty. But I ended up using 4 stalks of scallion, and then I also had shallots as well. So I added that in just for some extra flavor, but all of this is purely aromatics. It will help flavor the oil. So during this process of extracting the flavor from the onions, you're not going for high heat at all. So I would say a low medium heat, just so that it gets to like a slow fry like this. You're taking out the moisture from the onions and you're just taking in all of that flavor, and nothing should really burn. I would say that this whole frying process took right around 6 to 7 minutes. So it's not a short time either. You're doing it kind of slowly, drawing out the flavors, and then toasting all of these onions up. And it really didn't become all that fragrant at all until sort of the very end, minute 5, minute 6, and then it just really perfumed through. So while we make the noodles, you're really giving a chance for the scallion oil mixture to rest, because we're going to finish that off with some soy sauce and all that jazz, but you want to make sure it is cool. Okay, and I'm just making 2 portions of noodle here, but with the amount of scallion oil sauce that we're making, it covers quite a bit, so you can definitely store the rest in the refrigerator. So easy peasy right here. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of your light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of your dark. And the dark is meant to color, whereas the lighter soy sauce packs more of a punch. It's much more salty, so that one is really more for flavor. And you just want to, mix everything together. You're going to use this essentially like a salad dressing. had a little cameo there of the Japanese colander, if any of you are interested, the Japanese haul video. But this sauce was, I think I put about 2 to 3 tablespoons in there, but it's really pretty much to your liking. So if you wanted to add a little bit more soy sauce or maybe a little bit more sugar to the oil, you can do that. And again, you can store it for a pretty long amount of time. I have no idea how long. Yeah, so a little bit of scallions up top, maybe some shallots as well, just to dress the dish. And there you have it. Very simple scallion oil noodles.